Now we are going to demonstrate the single piece system application for an ileostomy patient. Now measurement of the stoma is very important. Now I am going to use the scale for stoma measurement scale. Normally what we will do is we will go for a bigger size than the stoma, but we have to choose the right size which fits in the stoma exactly. Now I am choosing this for 29 which suits correctly. To ensure that 29 suits well, I am going in for the bigger size as well as the smaller size so that it fits in exactly. I had chosen the correct size, which is 30. Now I am taking the bag, mark it on 4 sides so that I can cut it exactly. We are making 4 incisions over the bag using a curved scissor. Ensure that the back portion is not getting punctured. Now I am going in for the cutting. I cut the bag using the curved scissor. Cut the 4 quadrants. Now after cutting that, the bag is ready. Now we have to look out for any sharp edges on the borders by rubbing it with the finger. If at all any sharp edges are there, we have to blunt it using the curved scissor or with our hands. Because the stoma has no nerve endings, any injury to the stoma will not cause any pain and patient will not feel it. Now again I am cleaning the peristomal area thoroughly. Ensure that it is clean and dry so that the bag will last long for the patient. Now I have cleaned it. I am placing a gauze piece on the mouth of the stoma so that before I apply the bag, any effluent comes, it will get collected in the gauze. Now I am removing the sticker part from the single piece bag. I will get a view from the back side because the portion is transparent. I am using a paste to ensure that there are no leaks. Here the decision to use paste or not to use the paste purely lies with the stoma therapist and the contours of the patient's abdomen. If there are troughs and cliffs, then we have to go for paste. Here we are going in for paste. I am fixing it. I can see through the back side from the single bag how I am going to paste it. The position I have to ensure before sticking the bag, what position I have to keep the bag. After clipping it, I am sealing the borders along the stoma so that it fits in any leakage. If it will start only from the borders. I am pressing it 2 or 3 rounds so that the border area fits in exactly. Now I am rubbing it using a gauze piece so that there are no air gaps and the bag fits in cleanly and thoroughly. Now the single piece system application is complete. Now I am asking the patient to press it for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping their own hands so that they can judge how much pressure they can apply. This is to ensure that the bag lasts long, so that because of the pressure and the temperature, the bag lasts long.